Okay, so what we're going to do in this video is we're going to put our videos to use that are in our package. So they're going to be in the videos file, and the videos are product reviews that go along with your reviews here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to put these on our site, and then I'm going to show you how to edit these videos, and then we're going to upload them to our sharing sites. Okay, so we're going to do all that in this video. Now, Windows 7 comes with Windows Live Movie Maker. Okay, Windows 8 doesn't. But you can just go download it. So go to windows.microsoft.com and then go get Windows 8, Windows Movie Maker 2012, and then just click on Get It Now and download that. We'll be using that to edit our videos so we can upload them to YouTube, Vimeo, and a few other places, and do some marketing that way. Okay, so go ahead and get this Windows or Movie Maker for Windows 8 or 7. Or if you have 8, go ahead and download it now. If you have 7, go ahead and get it open, and we'll start. Okay, so let's edit our first video and get it put on our site, and then we'll start uploading and sharing them. Okay, so we've got Movie Maker open, and what we're going to do is click on Add Videos and Photos. Okay, and then we're going to upload those videos. So in the videos folder, let's just start with number 1 and then click open. So it'll put the video here. So what we're going to do right now on this, we will add a title. Okay, a title clip is what it's called. So we're going to click on title. Okay, and you'll see that it'll put a slide here in front. So we'll just put, you can put whatever you want. Make this unique. Okay. All right. Now what we'll do is we'll go to the end here, and we will put in another one. Okay. You can see it put it up here. So after we put in our text, we'll just put thank you for watching. Okay, put in your name or something like that so that it'll be unique. Okay, I'm going to put this down here at the very end. I'm also going to edit this. I'm going to double click on what I put in, and I'm going to put my name here also. Okay, so now that we will have our video that is unique, and what we can do is go back to home. Okay, and where it says save movie. Okay, what we can do, you can put it on high definition, computer. Usually you can just put recommended settings. Okay, and now let's save our movie, save our video. So what I'll do is create a new folder and call this edited videos. And this is Fat Loss Factor edited. Okay, and we'll click save. And Movie Maker will edit that video for us and make it unique. Okay, so let's go back to, well, there's a couple ways we can do this. If you want to, if you are an Azon Auto Builder member, you have access to a video player that you can make custom video players using YouTube videos. Okay, if you just want to, just add a normal video, we're just going to add one plugin. So we'll go to plugins and then add new. That's just telling us that the video is done. So if we were to play the video, you'll see that our don't know if you were able to see that, but anyway, it made the video unique for us. So we'll just minimize that, and we're going to add a plugin here. There are tons of YouTube plugins that you can use. One of the easiest ones is Nice YouTube. So you can just type in YouTube. So whatever YouTube player you want for your site, I'm just going to show you 2 ways using our video player, and then just this plugin here, Nice YouTube. And we'll click on search. And we'll install Nice. First, before we do that, what you want to do is click on Details. Nice YouTube Lite uses a shortcode, so you want to come down to where this shortcode is. You want to copy this, okay, because you're going to be using this shortcode. So put this on a notepad or somewhere that you have it saved. So I'm just going to put this on our page here, okay, on our notepad, and then we'll just click on Install, and we'll just activate the plugin. So just go to YouTube, and then we're going to upload the video that we edited earlier. Okay, we're going to upload it here. And again, we activated Nice YouTube Lite and copied the shortcode down that we're going to be using. Okay, so this video is uploading. What I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this URL. Okay, because all we need is the ID at the end. Okay, so now we're going to go to Post. So I have a good amount of posts now. I'm just going to do a search for fat loss factor. Okay, I'm going to click on this post and go in. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my video that we created, that we edited to this particular product review. Okay. So we'll just add it right here. Okay, the short code that I copied, I'm going to paste. Actually, that's the URL. So I need to go back and get the short code from my notepad. Okay, so I'm going to put my cursor down, center this, and paste in the short code. Now I'm going to go to what my YouTube link is and copy the last ID part and just paste it over the ID here. Okay, now I can delete that, and I'm going to click Update. So if we take a look at that particular post, our video should be in. Okay, now you can see that it's a little bit large, so we may have to look at changing that just a little bit. So we'll do that. So what we'll do is we'll go under Settings and click on Nice YouTube Lite, and we are going to change this to, let's just put it at 540 and click on Update Settings, and then we'll go refresh our post and take a look. Okay, so that's a little bit better. We could make it a little bit bigger, but I think that's okay. So our video review is there. And it's always nice to have a call to action under your video, so we may end up doing that also, okay, or on your video, but that's getting into more stuff than we need to right now. Okay, at this point we need to SEO this video. Okay, very, very important. Just like any post, we need to do the same thing to the video, including title, description, tags as keywords, and so we need to do that. Now what I'm going to do is go and get keywords based on fat loss factor. Probably use Traffic Travis to get these keywords, so let's take a look. Okay, in Traffic Travis on my dashboard, I'm going to click on Add More as far as keywords. I'm just going to bring these down and put fat loss factor. Okay, then I'll just save the project. Okay, now I'm going to go back to research. Put in fat loss factor and click on fetch, and I'm going to have the software do some research for me so I know what keywords to use. I also noticed one thing that I'm not really liking too much, and that's the way our home title is showing. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take out the Platinum SEO and put in All-in-One SEO pack. So what I'll do is keep this open and then just copy this information over to All-in-One SEO. It's just the same thing, so if you want to do this, you can. You're going to do the exact same thing here. Okay, so that's a lot better. It's actually showing what it's supposed to show as far as what Google will see in our titles and everything. So I recommend that you maybe go to All-in-One SEO instead of Platinum SEO. It looks like they're having problems with it, or it's just outdated plugin. So go ahead and go to All-in-One or something else. Okay, so back to Traffic Travis, and it's created or got some keywords for us. Okay, so let's take a look and get us some good keywords. The fat loss factor review, Traffic Travis is showing a low competition for it. So what I'm going to do is just get some keywords, and also I'm going to put them in our YouTube, but I'm also going to come back to our fat loss factor, and I'll just refresh this, and then I'm going to put them into our SEO all-in-one SEO pack also. Okay, so I picked out some good keywords for this particular review, and so what I'm going to do is just save them to or export them to a CVS or CSV, comma separated variable spreadsheet. So I'll just make a new folder and call it Fat Loss Factor Keywords. Okay, and we'll go ahead and click yes to open it. So you can see how it totally just screwed up on mine. So I'm going to have to put it on probably a PDF. Okay. Okay, so the PDF, I got that. Now what I'm going to do is click this button that says add. I'm going to add these keywords to our project. Okay, so if we go back to our dashboard and we click on the add more keywords, we should have our keywords here, hopefully. Okay, there they are. Now I'm going to copy these keywords. Okay, these are going to be my keywords for this particular post. Okay, so I'm back in our post on our site. And we're down to our all-in-one SEO. So I'm going to paste these keywords in. Remember to put commas in between them, okay? Okay, so I've got our title and our description and our keywords in. So what I'm going to do is just update this. Now I'm ready to go to our YouTube. So what I'll do, don't go ahead and put a call to action after your video right here. Anything you want, just to get them to click on that link. I'm going to go back down to my all-in-one SEO. I'm going to go ahead and just select all, copy these keywords, copy them. I can go back to YouTube. I'll paste them in here, and we got our keywords. And I'm going to select all, and we'll paste our description in. Our description has our main keyword, so does our title. Okay, and it's actually saving, so we'll have this done on YouTube. So that's our first review video. Okay, now we are going to go to our rank reporter and then add keyword. And what we're going to do is go down to Traffic Travis and pick out our best keyword. Okay, so let's find what our best keyword is. So I say we tried to rank for fat loss factor review, since we have that in our title. Okay, so I put in the keyword and then added the link to that particular URL to this post, the fat loss factor review. And I'm going to click on add to reporter. And then I'll just click on confirm and add to reporter. So at this point, what you would do is do that to all the videos, go through that process that we just went through, making the video unique, adding the video to your post, your review on your site, uploading the video to YouTube, and we'll probably go ahead and upload that video to Vimeo, maybe a Vine, and then a couple of others to get more exposure to that site, or to your video. Okay, we'll stop this video here.